Okay kids, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a sandwich out of one loaf of bread. Okay, it's a complete package and this is how it's done. You have to open up the cover and you need to take avocado, because it's going to be avocado sandwich, and of course you need to take the butter, because you're going to butter the bread a little bit, not too much. Butter's not good for you. So get a butter like this and put a butter onto the bread, and you need cheese, so you take the cheese out of the bread like this, and then you need meat. Take the meat, it's a lot of meat, and then you need some vegetable, so you put the vegetables like this. You see it? Oops. And then you need some olives. So olive goes here. Okay, put it right here. Now you want to put some ripe avocado. This, oops. And it's empty now, see? This. Then you have open avocado sandwich. You need, of course, a glass of milk. Cheers.